Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Let's go over today's lesson objective. So today we will create a table when given a rule in the form of y equals ax or y equals a plus x. All right, let's go ahead and go over to our vocabulary word. We only have one for today. So our vocabulary word for today is a table. And what a table is, it gives us information such as numbers or descriptions arranged in columns or rows. So it's basically just a way to make reading data look a little bit easier. So over here we have a table, right? And it's arranged in columns, which are going to be our pieces that are going up and down, and rows, which are pieces that are going across right here. Okay, so a table is just a way to organize information, and it's arranged in columns and rows. All right, so now that we've gone over vocabulary, let's get into our lesson for today. So we have over here, we have the equation y equals 4 plus x, and we have a table. So what we're going to do in this table is we're going to fill it out. And we're going to use this equation right over here, right? So I have y, and that is going to equal 4 plus x. And so we're going to use this to figure out how to fill in our table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a value for x. So I'm going to find, let's say I'm going to make x 1. Okay, so I know that y equals 4 plus x. And since x in this case is 1, I'm going to go ahead and I know that y is going to equal 4 plus 1. And I know that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. All right, let's go ahead and do another example. Let me erase all of this right here. And we'll go ahead and do this again. This time, we're going to go ahead and do x equals 2. All right, so I'm going to do x equals 2. So I know that y is equal to 4 plus x. So y is equal to 4 plus x, which in this case is 2. So I know that y equals 4 plus 2, which equals 6. So when x equals 2, y equals 6. All right, let's go ahead and do another example. Oop, I just erased everything. So let's go ahead and do, let's do 5, right? So y is going to be equal to 4 plus x. Our x is equal to 5. So 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So our y is 9. Awesome. So okay, sorry about that glitch. Okay, let's go ahead and go over to another rule of what we can do, okay? In this case, we have a different table and we have a different rule. So we have y equals 4x. So whenever I see something like this, wherever I see something where it says 4x, that is going to be the same as saying 4 times x, right? So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 4 times whatever x is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this together. So let's pretend I have x is going to be equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, that is going to be the same as doing 4 times 2, which equals 8. So y is going to equal 8. Now, what is going to happen when I take, let's change our x to 5. So if x equals 5, I'm going to go ahead and plug in 5 wherever I see x. So y equals 4 times 5, which is going to equal 20. So my y is going to be equal to 20 when x equals 5. All right, let's try one more together. Let's go ahead and do a fraction this time, right? So let me go ahead and erase this part. And let's go ahead and make x a fraction. So when x is 1/2, that means that we need to do y is going to be equal to 4 times 1/2, because y equals 4 times x. So when we are multiplying fractions, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and do 4 over 1 times 1 over 5, right? Or 1/2, sorry. So we're going to go ahead and multiply across. 4 times 1 is 4. And that is going to be 1 times 2 is 2. So y is going to equal 4/2, which is also equal to 2. Okay, all right, fantastic. Let's go ahead and review our lesson objective. So our lesson objective for today is we will create a table when given a rule in the form of y equals ax or y equals a plus x. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye.